This is a Smartboard video on how to manipulate shapes. If you go up to the shape bar at the top, you can draw any shape you like. And once you draw that shape, you're going to left click and drag. And when you let go, it's going to create that shape. It's going to keep drawing shapes when you see the plus sign until you come back up to the selection tool up here. And now you're not going to be drawing shapes anymore. So to draw a shape, you click up here on the shape bar and then click on the shape and draw it. When you're done, you click the arrow. Now, if I want to do something fun and creative with the shape, I'm going to click on the shape itself. And there are two ways that I can add to a shape. I can click the everything drop-down arrow and go to properties. Or I can just click on the shape and click the properties tab on the left-hand side, the four colors and the letter A. What you can do is you're going to click on fill effects. And if you're on solid fill, you can click on any of the colors and it will fill the shape. You can also do that by clicking on the paint can at the top in the toolbar and then going to your fill effects, going to solid fill, picking a color and clicking. And now the paint can is going to fill everything with green. So that's another way to do it. And then what you're going to do when you're done with the paint can is click your arrow select tool and you can click on the shape. So either way, paint can or clicking on the shape will fill it with color. So I'm going to click on the shape. I'm going to come over to my properties tab on the left hand side. Click on it. I can click solid fill, which is what we already did. If I want to get more creative, I can click gradient fill, and this is going to give me two colors. So I can pick two different colors and it's going to shade those two colors. If I want to have a pattern, I can click on pattern fill. And I can click on the pattern, and then I can click on foreground color and select one. And then I'm going to say OK. And then I can click on background color, select one, say OK. And now it's going to give me all the options on the left-hand side using all of these various patterns and also colors. So that's patterns. If I want to put a picture in, I can click on image fill. And I'm going to click the browse button under the blue box. And then I'm going to select a picture. If it doesn't come straight to a picture, you can always go to my computer. And you can click on anywhere that you've saved a picture, or you can go to your documents and scroll down and go to the pictures folder. Just depends on where you have your pictures saved. So I'm going to click on a folder that has some pictures, and then I'm going to click on the picture that I want, and I'm going to say open. You can see on the left-hand side the picture that you selected, but you're wondering why in the world is it not in the shape? Well, it is. You just have to drag the shape out and make the shape bigger, and then you can see the picture. Now you'll notice this shape has the picture doubled. Sometimes a certain type of shape will do that. If I put it inside of a circle, it may look different. Click on the selection tool, click on the circle, go to my properties button, go to image fill, click on browse, click on a picture. I'm clicking on my documents and pictures. I'm going to click on the folder, the picture I want, click on the picture and say open. And now you'll notice that it's just the one picture. So it depends on the shape. The more complex the shape, the more complex the picture. It doubled the picture to fit the size. So it just depends on what you're looking for. The circle is good if you want to reveal. What I've used for this is I might show the students one part of the picture and have them guess what the picture is, and then show a little bit more and a little bit more as kind of a guessing game. So you can do that with the shapes. You can also click on a shape and click on the properties tab on the left-hand side. And you can go to line style. And you can click the thickness of the border of the shape. You can also choose a new color if you want the shape to become a different color around the border. You can also choose the line style. So you can have a dotted line. You can make it fancy if you would like to. And that's how you change or format different kinds of shapes in Smart Notebook.